In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tables/databases side by side in Notion. If you've ever wanted to compare two sets of information at a glance or keep related lists next to each other, this simple layout trick will make your workspace much more organized and easier to scan. First, start on a regular Notion page. This is important. You can't set up side-by-side databases inside a full-page database, so make sure you're on a normal page where you can add regular content. If your page looks like a big database taking up the whole screen, back out and create a new blank page first. A regular page is where you can mix text, headings, images, and crucially, columns. Next, add columns to the page. Click into the page and type the / command. Then type column. You'll see options to insert columns. Choose how many you want your tables to sit across. For this example, we'll go with 2 columns. That gives you a clean left and right area to place each database side by side. After adding them, you'll see 2 vertical spaces ready to hold content, which is exactly what we need. Now, let's place the databases. Click into the first column, type the / command again, and type database. From the options, select an inline version. Inline databases sit inside the page content, which is what allows them to live inside columns. If you want a classic grid, choose a table inline. If you prefer a different view, you can also pick other inline database types, but the key is that it's inline, not full page. Repeat the same step in the second column. Click in the second column, type the / command, type database, and choose an inline option again. You now have 2 separate inline databases sitting side by side. At this point, you've got the layout you need. 2 databases displayed next to each other on a regular page. This setup is ideal for comparing properties, tracking parallel projects, or keeping related lists in view without switching between pages. If you don't see the inline options, or the databases won't sit side by side, double-check that you're not inside a full-page database and that you created columns on a regular page first. And that's it. A regular page, columns added with the / command, and an inline database placed in each column. Simple, clean, and effective for organizing information at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your side-by-side Notion setup.